Our Torah reading this week, Eikev, begins with a description of what the land of Israel will look like as long as the people of Israel follow the covenant. If so, we find near the beginning of the portion, they'll find a land flowing with milk and honey, a land filled with natural resources, iron, etc., and a land that will be fertile and productive. Eretz Zeit Shemen Udavash, Eretz Chita Useorah, a land of wheat and barley, olive oil, etc., that will be ever abundant in the land. And so this reading also happens to be the Torah reading for Yom Ha'atzmaut, Israel's Independence Day. So every year that Israel's Independence Day is celebrated at that weekday morning service, this portion from the beginning of Eikev is selected as the reading that day. So in other words, it serves as the promise, an eternal promise that the land will always be blessed and always be more than productive and satisfying all the needs of the people all the time, only if the people live up to their promise. So it's a fascinating economic and social explanation of how a people can be productive in their land and how the country can fulfill its promise to be a light unto the nations, because the prophets talk about us, the people of Israel, being or lagoyim, a light unto the nations. So the Torah connects for us this lesson that productivity and taking advantage of natural resources isn't just a human endeavor, it's a partnership with God. And that if we have that partnership with God, in other words, if we live up to the ethical, moral, and religious ideals that we as a people are supposed to follow, then not only will we feel blessed, but we will experience blessing in our lives. So the Torah teaches us this week in Eikev that life, religious life, meaningful life, isn't just an individual endeavor, it's a communal endeavor. And we need to encourage one another to fulfill our promise as a people so that we can experience these blessings in our life. Shabbat Shalom.